On Engineer Your Life Today.
Siyathokoza unjani?
Sikhona hleze sibuzana kanje la. Ngizoyibuza ngesingisi because our community loves this question because it reveals your state of well-being. Khulu, how's your heart today?
Inhliziyo yami ayithokozile ayisafana kuqala
Yeah.
phansi nje inabile.
Yindaba uthi ayisafani nakuqala ngoba lokho kuchaza ukuthi kukhona isikhathi la ibingathokozile khona.
Mangithi kuqala ngikhuluma maybe ukuphazamiseke emoyeni noma enhlizweni nje ngezinto nje ezinokwenzeka sho umuntu mawukhula noma uhlangabezana nezingqingandaba njengabantu.
Yes. Ungathi ubungaphathekile kahle esikhathini esisanda kudlula noma usho ukukhula nje njengendoda ukuthi kunomzima.
Ukukhula nokuhlangabezana nokunye ukuthi ufika esigabeni sokuthi manje khona ubufana kuze uyofika ke ube ubudoda kufike kube ubaba umkhulu.
Yes.
Manje kuba nezinto masikhula sabantu sihlangana nazo maybe njengemimoya efumuza njengesihlahla esishawa umoya maybe bese siyahlakazeka asekho endaweni yaso asanakho loya moya noma lelalanga lisikhanyise.
Sure. Ngifuna uqala ekuqaleni because namhlanje sikhuluma ngawe siphinde sikhulume nezinto osubhekane nazo mhlambe ezobunzima and how you've overcome them. Umkhulu ubani uqhamukaphi? Angikholwa ukuthi abaningi bethu sisuke eGoli khona la inkaba yethu esuka khona.
Umkhulu mahlala entabeni indoda le eKZN umthethwayo
Kwamthetho ngikwazi kahle.
Njoba nami ngunyembo songumthetho.
Yes.
Yebo ngegama ledlo sikhuluma hlala entabeni but okwamanje la eGoli I'm based in Soweto.
Yeah.
Somewhere ula ngakhula phezulu kwenkaba namandla abantu abadala. Kwaze kwafika lesigaba lesi sengingiyiso manje.
Usaphila kaMthethwa impilo enjani ngoba kwaMthethwa ngiyazi kusemakhaya wawuzibona ukuthi unobizo labantu abadala noma wawusesikoleni kwaphileka kanjani?
Bungumuntu ukuthi ngokuzalwa kahle ngila eGoli ngiyathathwa ngiyahamba ngiseNatal ngiseGoli yabona mangumuntu ukuthi kwavuka isimo sabantu abadala phakathi kwami kumuntu oyale ukuthi bengihlushwa yihlaba esikhathini esiningi nginamaphupho angapheli kulapho ngilibele ngiqoqela ugogo wami nokhokho omkhulu kakhulu ngikhulu lapha phambi kwabo nokwazi izinto abangibuka ngelinye ugogo wathi mina chama ufikile lo muntu kulomuntu lona. Ngabuza ukuthi ubani lo wayitholela kwahamba around nabo ma-10 I think ngumuntu ngithi ngiyogeza ngiye endlini mangena ngithatha ibhavu ngithi njokha amanzi mangibuya ngithola umuntu ophelele nje ahlezi nje esitulweni.
Sure.
Agqoke into zobunyanga nje aphelele nje umuntu ongathi uyathusa ngasaba futhi ngaleli bhavu lami ngambuka kepha mangimbuka ngumuntu ongathi nalisango lila ngiyangena ngiyabeka mangithi ngiyambuka uthi kumina mawuphuma kanje ungiphathele ubhiya neglass kepha ngithonyiwe kuthiwa ngizokulanda siye emanzini ngithoba nathi cha ngithonyiwe bathi siye emanzini kepha ungiphathele iglass nebhiya ngaphuma ngithi ngitshela abantu abadala kepha ekhaya kunjani akukho la singeke sikubone khona mawuqhamuka kala noma uqhamuka kala sokubona kepha lo yakabonwanga ukuthi uqhamuke ngalaphi kepha mina njengoba singimfice endlini mama ngihamba ngiyotshela abantu abadala ngaye bathi hawu udlule kuphi lo muntu mebethi bayaphuthuma beshona endlini akasekho
Sure.
kwaba ngathi manje mina ngiyahlanya
Kusho into engekho.
waphinda ugogo futhi wathi ufikile lo muntu ukwazi kwami ukuthi ke ngiphethe yilesi simo
Usakhuluma ukuthi imi emngakanani lokho kwenzeka noma into yamaduzane esanda kwenzeka?
I was 10 years old
10.
yes sasemncane kakhulu
Umncane kakhulu. I'm sure you confused lento ukuthi yile yenzeka kimi.
ngoba yabona namaphupho wami ngesinye isikhathi benihamba ahambe ayenze ungathi into eqiniso kwaze kwafika esigabeni sokuthi into eningi kwabanye abantu maybe kuzosona ngathi ngisangene into eningi eseyikhona manje ngazibona before ziba khona
Njengani nje mkhulu?
like cars, buildings, planes, the way abantu basebenzisa izinto ngakhona iya ngakwazi ngasemncane kakhulu kepha ngokuphupha futhi ngaphupha kwi Audi L blue kwi A4 200 IS but kwama model wamanje but now I see it is running I'm like no hey that's my dream I dreamt this car
I saw this long ago
in
my dreams.
in my dreams it was long ago ngithi yankulu ziningi into ezivelayo la kimi emhlabeni ukuthi zikhandiwe ziyakhiwe ezinye zazo ziyaqona lifestyle that's how izinto eziningi manje ngiye ngayibona before thi manje
Thina ke sesikubona kumabona kude. Besingakwazi njengoba usho ubusebenza ngabantu abantu for sure bafika kuwena bezofuna usizo ngeimpilo zabo bafike ubasiza ubalaphe but manje usuvela kumabona kude wazikhethela wena to be on reality TV.
Singathi singabuyela emuva phezulu kwalo mbuzo wakho ukuthi uzizwa njani lately kuye kwayenza kokunye ukuthi ngizwana no some part yamula thwamagene of which bekuyipartner yami usi so saba abantu ukuthi is 2004 we met and then we fell to a relationship before the relationship besabantu ukuthi
2024 yes
around lately June July February I think February June July like
okay 2024 June July you meet
we met and then besabantu ukuthi okay uyangitext ka I saw ku Facebook yabona that time ngisane phone okay masibona na fine ngithola lo message ngawunaka nje ngathi okay thokozani gogo azange ngisana into eningi ngawubeka
waktexta yena ku Facebook wawungamazi wawumazi njengalo yasiswa ku TV kodwa ungamazi
no not really like that I was a friend to her father
okay
before ngimazi like close kumuntu ovakashayo ekhaya njengabanye abantwana bakunemisebenzi
sure
but isikhathini esiningi bengiphila lo babake uBrondi Magene
okay
so like music and some stuff studio
so when you're a close friend with her father
yeah like close so kwayenzeka elibile efika njengenyanga futhi mina nobabakhe kanjalo nokwenza imicimbi yeah nokufika utate on her first marriage I think kula ngiqala ukumazi khona sibonana like life like wow okay yeah this girl yabona ngokumbona okay I know ukuthi khona yesekhaya
sure
but okay ukujwayelana hayi mkhulu kanjalo yabona kwahamba iminyaka okay kwahlula until afike ekhaya but I don't know ukuthi usekhaya ngisho ngaleso sikhathi
what time is this mufunyaka still 2024 2025
no after maybe 10 years back
okay
or 14 I don't know
okay yeah
you get me yeah kula ngizombona ke 2024 yabona sabantu ukuthi okay text message okay ngiyabona okay ayithokozani ngayeka kwashula amalanga ngahlangana naye njengomuntu ongathi ngiyahamba nge-stop. Hawu gogo kunjani? Okay. Bengene somewhere, some place. Sakulisana bekaphuma somewhere. Wahamba wayendlini sakhuluma into esikhulumayo. Okay, ngaba umuntu ukuthi ngizovakasha. Sizokhuluma into zethu zokunyanga. So forth. Okay, sharp. Tomorrow she called. Okay, anyazi. Okay, ngizendlini okay fine. Ngaba umuntu okay ngizoza. Ngafuna back futhi. Ukhona endlini ngizoza. Bengenza sure ukuthi ukhona. Okay. Answer back, okay. Ngicela ukuthi ngihambe ngendlela. Mangiphuma ngimthole esendlini unamakhazi akhe and so forth bahlezi at what you call egarage. Yeah. Base lapha egarage okay ngangena sahlala sishabulelana ngoba mnandi sakhuluma into zethu zokunyanga. Walethi incwadi okay ngoba bengikhuluma ezinye izinto zokuthi angakhohlwa into abantu abadala bangitshela zona manginaye ngaleso sikhathi leso. Hayi ngamtshela lapha fine. Okay ukujwayelana kwethu. Short. Sahamba saqala ke ukusebenzisa into zethu. Ukuthi ngesikhathi lazima sabantu izinyanga ngisho siyasizana phezulu kobunyanga, phezulu kobungoma. Masibona maybe omunye uwile yabona. Okay so fine ugogo ngiyazi umuntu ukuthi udumile. Yes ngobunyanga bakhe and TV and so stuff. Okay carry on. Sasebenza. Sabantu ukuthi vele sifunani impumelelo yakabani yakagogo ngisho ngaloso sikhathi lezo. Hayi izinto ziqale ke zivuleke. Ngapha zivuleke izinto. Hayi kwenzeke ekuqaleke amagigi ubizwa lena nalena. Esicela ezintabeni, sicela emanzini, sicela amahlani. Ngingalali day and night. Yes, ngisebenza like this. And then azasho naye mkhulu yasebenza man. Hede usebenza ngakhona. I've never seen enyanga like you. Dala ngiphila izinyanga. No. Kasi ngibona umuntu like so in deep and in like connection. Umuntu like I felt like yabona uyangikhuthaza vele yabona. Vele ngijalo vele umthetho amangisemsebenzini wami vele. Ngiyahlaba ngihlose pe kwento angijika ngithini. Hayi ngasebenza into zafuna zathi ba. Hayi waqala wakhipha kanjalo into zakhe kwavela bobantu kanjalo wabizwa ku ma FM amanye kanjalo yabona ke noma singabizi ngamagama ayisijabule sonke sithokoze
ukuthi sekuvulekile futhi into zaka TV ziyavuleka umculo uyavuleka
yabona ke into efana nalezo. Hayi sabantu ukuthi hayi no hayi mina nawe so fast lahlane. Hayi I always do like this emangena yabona. Umuntu ongathi hayi we are going there
to the top.
Yeah, we are vele. Hayi day night hayi nila. Hayi sebenza. No. Okay now it's time for you ukuthi manje senyabona ukuthi into zakho manje sezisa ngendlela phathi kushota la nala yabona ke ebungomeni yabona lobo ngikubona kuwena. Okay ngaqala ke I did the ndumba and everything and so forth. Joba maybe somewhere nokumbona somewhere lapha khona endumbeni somewhere in some lapha kula video leyana ya iyakho yemu umahlala entabeni sesisebenza ke manje
wamakhela indumba wena from scratch benganayo
bengekho lapha ekhaya esingishilo ukuthi bekaphuma somewhere kumuntu ophukile ngathi yazi amhe ngathi ngizokusiza ngathi you are broke yabona shuthi uclean ezile ngicela ukuqoqa ube yabona sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani na why fine why there's a time ke masifika ke sikade mkhulu you know what I'm in love with you get me I got confused kancane uyamana nje umuntu ukuthi okay now ngoba ngumuntu ukuthi mangizwana nomuntu angicamukeli phezulu komunye umuntu ngahlala unyaka ngahlala iminyaka ngahlala inyanga kepha I think ngithole nginabo ma 9 months alone ngumuntu ukuthi ngibhekene namadlozi amnandi.
So you are single and not
Yeah,
dating.
no.
Yeah.
If I break with somebody angiqhamukeli kwenye relationship
Sure.
ngoba ngifuna ukuphola then bese ngibhekana nento zami.
Sure.
Okay, ungithole ngipholile, I'm happy, ngibhekene nento zami. Yena wathanda shem the way ngishilo ukuthi beka empilo yami wangithema kangena indumbeni waba umuntu othi wow asange ngibona into enjena hayi ngihambile no hayi mkhulu hayi uyiphethe ngithi hayi phela and then okay ngiyambonisa lena ibekwa kanje le khulunywa kanje le yenziwa kanje kanjalo. Yes, okay, back to ke intomba yakhe ukuyaka. Hayi kumele ukuthi saba abantu ukuthi kumele silungise lapha nalapha indaba zezinye izinto kumele sizenze. Hayi kuvuleke ke mangiqedwe kwakho indumba siqala indaba zani simsansi magic futhi awumtholi ekukuthi izolo makazongishela ngayo uthi I cut the job ukhohlwa ukuthi ekseni ngimtshela ukuthi ngiphuphe so lapho senzani we are in love ngisho esingitshilo ukuthi I mean love with you. Okay, reverse back again. Ku in love lo wahamba kanti uNkulunkulu in 3 months time I think was bless ngengane mina naye esana
Lo 3 months niphilisana endlini eyodwa kwenzakalani?
uhlala kubo 4 months, I think 6 months or 5 months. I done the job. It's done. Everything is done. Like izinto ziyavuleka ngisho. Izinto ziyenzeka ngisho. Sisakhe intomba ngisho. Kwavuleka kakhulu kwafelani umzansi magic manje. Lapho ke sisathandana ke manje. Asenzini asasebenzi. Siyathandana intombi khona. Yeah, manje okay as bless. Before I was blessed I knew ukuthi ngizoba nomntana mfana but they didn't show ukuthi ubani. Na before ngihlangana naye ngike ngabonisa ukuthi ngizoba nentombi so kathi uyena vele. Okay, fine. Makazofika ngicela ukumkhipha. Okay, ufikile sahlala saxoxa kwabona njengithandani. Ngamkhapha wahamba waye ekhaya wabuya nebuya around 10-11 go mangangena tati ngikukhaphile isikhathi samakhehla leso. Okay, fine. No mkhulu I have something in my mind. I'm like, what? Can you make a baby? I'm like, wow. Into zakho sathisa zonke. Ngicabanga leyana I'm in love with you. Now, can we have a baby? Ngithi no. Athi nyahlala yabona. Okay. Around the night we didn't do nothing. We slept until in the morning where somebody was supposed to kappa omunye. I know it's hard to kiss. No. We have to work. Fine. Hamba wa ekhaya. Fike ekhaya kwadlula amalanga safuna indaba zepende ukuthi silungise where she was sleeping because bengekuthande now the way she was living ngakhona bongakhala such a celeb la phuma khona to live such a life ngiyengezwe ubuhlungu kakhulu azange ngize ngithokoze emoyeni wami nangalendlela aziphethe ngayo nangalendlela sikayenza izinto ngayo. That's why uNkulunkulu namadlozi I think they took me or maybe used me ukuthi ngimbeke eduze ukuthi sisukuma nthi kanti kuzoba nothando ngaphakathi oluhle romantic one ekukuthi abaningi they will go like wow what a couple mabasibheka ngalendlela le besiphila ngakhona nangalendlela besenza izinto kanje sibabili. Okay, umfana wabakhona esingisho before umfana azobelethwa ithe Mzansi Magic bayicela izwe ukuthi how sikhona umfana. They said no, wait we gonna shoot masekuzalwa ingane. So wabiza mina njengobaba ukuthi bacela ukuthi makushuthwa siqale ngengane mayizalo isibhedlela uyavuma yini na. Ngaba umuntu uthi TV hayi othizwa abantu abadala bazothini sokutshela hayi kuhamba amalanga so ngambona ukuthi emoyeni wakhe lento le ayimphathi kahle ngoba le shooting kumele iqale kuphi esibhedlela. Okay, I just let it go but ngaphahla kwakwenzeka ke lokho. So kwafika ama-contracts kokuqala asayina leli ngilisayinayo. Okay, I didn't read because I trust my woman. Sokunye unyaka sesiningani naye ikhona we are building siyaphezulu
Yeah.
hayi good hayi sixhasana hlani kanjalo siyaphahla senzani sihlanganisa amadlozi senza yonke lento mina naye hayi kuyalunga naye nengane ikhona